All right, so today I'm making peanut butter cookies. I've had this desire to just bake and make cookies. I made chocolate chip cookies yesterday, so today it's peanut butter cookies. So I have all the ingredients, I think. Um, All-purpose flour, sugar. Oh, brown sugar. I need brown sugar as well. So white sugar, brown sugar. Completely forgot about that. Peanut butter, butter, 1 egg, baking soda, salt, vanilla. So in the measuring cup I have the flour, baking soda, and salt. I think it's 1 1/4 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and I think half a teaspoon of salt. So next I think I'm going to end up, I'll have to check the recipe, but I think it's the butter and the sugars in the bowl and then mix it and see what happens. So let's stay tuned. So here I have, let's see, I have, oh gosh, what do I have in here? Oh, yes, that's right. I think it's half a cup of peanut butter, half a cup of butter, and then it should be 3/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of white sugar. And it's approximate. I think I have a little bit more brown sugar than white sugar. And then there's also 1 egg in here and vanilla. So it's all been mixed up. And now the next thing to do is to add this flour mixture to this butter and sugar mixture and mix it all up. So I'm going to do that and then I'll come back and we'll see what we have. So I've mixed the flour into the butter and peanut butter, sorry, the butter, peanut butter, and sugar mixture, and that's what I got. And then I put little blobs of, peanut butter cookie dough onto some baking sheets. So I have no idea how much they're going to spread. So I kind of spaced them out. And the temperature is 350 degrees Celsius. We're on bake, of course. So now I'm going to put them in the oven. And I think the recipe calls for, I think, 9 to 12 minutes. But we're going to go with 12 minutes and then we're going to see what they look like. Peanut butter cookies look done. So they're out of the oven and they're all done. They look really good, actually. They're a little bit brown on the bottom and they're nicely, a light brown on top. They taste really good. I had a couple, sorry, didn't share that, but they look good. They're soft and they're kind of crispy on the edges, so I really enjoyed that recipe.